I am so depressed.
Man, I'm so poor. This is pathetic.
It is. I don't even know what to do. I mean, what do we do in this situation?
I don't know.
Why does everyone want their money out the banks? Why do the stock markets crash?
We need an idea.
We do. Someone needs to come up with an idea to get us out of this crap. Someone.
Why don't we build a dam?
I like that.
Be a good idea, make money, build a city maybe.
And what's your plans with this dam? I know where we can build it. There! Well, I guess this is all our supplies. Let me start laying down the work.
We gotta tear down all these
Build a dam. Come on! Build a dam!
It's done!